Good morning, Year 2. Welcome to Home Learning Lessons with Mrs. Ojobo. In today's maths lesson, we are going to learn to subtract two-digit numbers by counting up. Okay, subtract means to take away, minus, less. Okay, they all mean the same thing, subtract. So we're going to subtract two-digit numbers by counting up. That's our objective. Today we will use frog to help us find the difference between two numbers. Remember that frog hops from the smaller number to the larger number, and we count the hops to find the difference. Now let's look at these two numbers, 36 and 42. How could we find the difference between 36 and 42? Now, which of them is larger? Which of them is greater? And which of them is smaller? Which is greater or larger? And which is smaller? Between those two numbers, 36 and 42. 36 is the smaller number, and frog always starts on the smaller number and hops to the larger number to find the difference between the numbers. Now 36 is smaller because 36, as you can see, has only 3 tens, and 42 has 4 tens. So 36 is smaller. Okay? Okay, let's find the difference between 36 and 42. Look at the right hand side of the slide. You will see 36, 42, and then you see a number line there. Now frog is going to start hopping from 36 because it is the smaller number, and then it will hop to 40. That is the next multiple of 10. So let's hop with frog from 36. 1, 2, 3, 4. So frog does 4 hops. Next, frog is going to hop to 42. So from 40, he will hop to 42. Let's hop with him. 1, 2. That's 2 hops. So 4 hops, which he did the first time, and then the other 2 hops, we make 6. 4 plus 2 equals 6. Now the difference between 36 and 42 is 6. Now let's try another example together. Let's find the difference between 32 and 27. Remember, frog always hops from the smaller number to the bigger number. Okay? First, frog is going to hop from 27 to the next multiple of 10, which is 30. Okay? So let's hop together with frog. 1, 2, 3. Frog lands on 30. So 27 plus 3 is 30. Then frog is going to hop again to 32. It hops how many times? 2 more times. 1, 2. So it lands on 32. So 30 plus 2 more hops equals 32. So altogether, he hops 5 times. The difference between 32 and 27 is 5. For your first task, write how far frog has jumped to each lily pad. Use the number track to help you to find how many to get to the next 10. For example, the first one, if frog sits on 5, he's going to hop to 10. How many hops? You count and you write in the box. So for the first one, 5 plus 5 equals 10. Now the key questions you need to ask yourself are, where does frog start from? Where does frog hop to next? And how far has frog hopped? Okay. For your second task, the first one has been done for you. 8 plus box equals 14. Okay. Now what you need to ask yourself is, where does frog start? So for the first one, frog starts from 8, which is the smaller number. Where will frog hop to next? How far is it? So frog hops from 8 to 10 because 10 is the next multiple of 10. So he does 2 hops to get to 10. Where does frog hop to next? So frog hops from 10 to 14. Okay, he makes 4 hops. So how far has frog hopped all together? Now 2 plus 4 make 6. So altogether, frog has hopped 6 times. So 8 plus 6 equals 14. You put 6 in the box. Okay?